How to find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. So let's just get started. First, open up your Snapchat. After you open it up, your camera will open up. What you'll need to do is you can swipe right again and then you will see your location here. You'll get to the map. Now you can get to map from other ways too. Just get to the map, and after you're on map, you can scroll around in your area here and then just tap wherever you want, and then you'll find new people. So from here you can just add them, and that is how you find people nearby. After you find someone you want to add, just tap on the plus icon here and then you'll be able to add them. And it's that simple, guys. That is how you can find and add friends nearby on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video.